Today we got an interesting video on our hands. We brought you the best 5 laptops for Revit. The thing is, Revit software is very graphics and processing power demanding. So keeping that in mind, we have selected 5 such laptops that you give a very good performance for your money. As always, we have selected laptops from different categories and different price points. So pretty sure you will be able to find a laptop that will meet your needs and budget, so stick with us through to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Without any more introduction, let's get into it. Number 1 on the list is MSI GL65 Leopard 10 SFK062. Comes with a 15.6 FHD 144Hz display. And more, this laptop is focused on gaming uses, so if you do competitive gaming, 144 Hz is the feature you would want. The specifications are amazing as well. Intel Core i7-10750H processor, NVIDIA RTX 2070 graphics card, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB NVMe SSD storage. Makes it a beast. Any laptop or PC that has an RTX card in it is a beast in itself. It can handle any sort of task you throw at it. So running any BIM software won't be any problem. Right out of the box, this laptop is very sturdy and well made. It feels like a black aluminum casing. Very comfortable keyboard base with nice touch. Overall build quality is fine for this price range, though the difference between the quality of the lid, made of aluminum, and the bottom base, made of plastic, is huge. All recent AAA titles will run smoothly with a high refresh rate at highest configurations. Specs are all fine, but there are a few things about this laptop that you should know before you opt to buy it. The speakers on this laptop are very bad. It's so bad that you would never find yourself using it. So buying another portable speaker or a good pair of headsets is recommended. Another thing is, the fans on this laptop are loud. If you haven't used any powerful laptop before, you would be bothered by how much the fans make noises. It's a small price to pay to use such a wonderful machine for a reasonable price, I guess. Number 2 on the list is the 2019 Apple MacBook Pro. Because of the powerful CPU and GPU, it is able to run BIM software just fine. So we think this version of the Apple MacBook Pro is more suitable than the 2020 version of the MacBook Pro. This version of MacBook Pro comes with a 16-inch Retina display with True Tone technology. Inside there's an i9 running the tasks and an AMD Radeon Pro 5500M graphics with GDDR6 memory. This is one of the fastest mobile GPU out there. Running C4D, Sketchbook, or Maya won't be an issue. Here are the specifications: 2.3 GHz 8-core Intel Core i9, turbo boost up to 4.8 GHz, with 16 MB shared L3 cache, AMD Radeon Pro 5500M with 4 GB of GDDR6 memory and automatic graphics switching, Intel UHD graphics 630. 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD storage for Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, ports with support for charging, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt, up to 40 Gbps, USB 3.1 Gen 2, up to 10 Gbps. The thing to mention about this version is this one has 3 active mics, so that's better. This version also has the touch bar if you were wondering. If you want to do audio producing or other creative work like video editing or animation, this laptop handles these tasks like a champ. This expensive laptop brings the best value in the lineup of the 16 offering to date. If you carefully look at the costs of truly compatible Windows offerings, you'll find the MacBook Pro to be competitively priced. Number 3 on the list is ASUS TUF-FX505DT gaming laptop. Overall a terrific value for a gaming laptop. The GTX 1654 GB video card runs just a tad slower than a GTX 1060. And Ryzen 5 processor with 4 core is ample for BIM software and gaming if you are into it. 8 GB of RAM wasn't enough for my apps, so I ordered an additional 8 GB stick for the available slot. The case is light yet stiff plastic, keyboard and trackpad are not bad. I've had more expensive laptops with worse. Second, 2.5 hard drive bay for expanded storage. The standout spec is the 120Hz display. Overall it looks great for gaming and editing. Some might pick on its color specs, nits, however, ASUS includes a nice app to adjust to your liking. Overall, wish I would have found this sooner. I've wanted a mobile gamer and light editing system for travel. This fits perfectly for my on-the-go needs. Well, did I mention that the laptop comes with a 120Hz refresh rate? Everything will be really smooth. But let me tell you that this laptop can do almost everything but a little less efficiently. See, all the specs are not on par with other laptop hardware. The battery life is pretty mediocre for a normal, business class laptop and downright abysmal when you're gaming. Think 2 hours of Resident Evil before you have to think about how much progress you're going to lose in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Leave it plugged in for intense gaming, surfing the web, and watching YouTube will get you about 4 to 5 hours, depending on your settings. On number 4 we have Microsoft Surface Book 2. This is a convertible laptop from Microsoft. If you didn't know, the series of laptops is mainly focused on creativity and portability. If you are a person that is on the move all the time, this laptop can be a good pick for you, as you can turn the laptop into a tablet if you wish to. Simply detach the keyboard and you end up with a fully functional tablet. Run professional-grade software all day with the latest quad-core powered Intel Core processors and the best graphics performance yet with the latest NVIDIA GeForce GPUs. Longer battery life, incredible graphics. Take a closer look at how Surface Book 2 is the ultimate laptop for running powerful apps in Office, demanding graphics software, inking in Windows, and more, at work or on the go. Designed with innovation in every detail, lightweight and powerful with unprecedented performance in a laptop this size. Get ideas down fast with a backlit keyboard and a display designed for touch and Surface Pen. With an Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB SSD storage, it might not look like the most high-performance laptop on paper, but this is the laptop you would want if you are a creative person. And working on 3D models, this laptop surely can draw many benefits as well as a variety of applications in this field. Definitely should be a consideration if you are not against convertible laptops. Number 5 on the list is Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. It comes with these high-level specs: 9th generation Intel Core i5-9300H processor, 4 GHz with turbo boost technology up to 4.1 GHz, 15.6 Full HD, 1920x1080, widescreen LED backlit IPS display, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with 4GB of dedicated GDDR5 VRAM, 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz memory, 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD. The specs are great on paper, mid-range laptops that perform like a mid-range one. Nothing less, nothing more. You get what you pay for. You can use BIM software but only 8GB of RAM and a mid-range GPU like 11650 can only deliver so much. You will be able to use BIM softwares, however the render time and efficiency are at a question. The design of the laptop is not my liking either, although some people really like this kind of design. Let me know what do you think in the comment section. The keyboard is RGB backlit, so there's that. But there are few problems with this laptop that has to be mentioned. The laptop often uses the wrong GPU. See, the CPU itself comes with an integrated GPU and the laptop has a dedicated GPU. So what the laptop should do is switch between the GPUs and use the integrated one when not much graphic memory is needed to cut down the battery consumption. But it doesn't do that efficiently. So as a result, you get less performance time to time when needed. But it might be a software issue that will be fixed, hopefully.